Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe in CapCut PC. So this is the project that I am working on. So let me show you how you can add keyframe or you can use. So I'm going to select this clip and now I'm going to add the first keyframe here. And now I'm going to select the final point. So let me drag it a little bit. This one. And I'm going to scale it like this, and now I'm going to show you the final result. So now you can see that both keyframes are added. Now I'm going to show you the final result. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can use keyframe in CapCut on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.